Hi and welcome back to the channel of Lothian Valet. As you've just seen in the intro, we've got the new lance to change into quick release and for the snow foam. Hi, there you go, that's you just seen the video. You may be well wondering why I didn't put the PTFT or plumber's tape around the threads before I put it all together. I just want to make sure it all fitted and before I did it, because if I put it on, then if it was not enough, I would have to take that off to put a fresh slot on. So I just want to make sure it fitted correctly and before I put the PTF on. But as you've seen, after I started it, it did leak. I did expect it, but I did off camera, I did take it off again, and I put the PTF tape on it just to ensure I had a good seal to make sure it didn't leak. I hope you have took something from this. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below if you've had something like this before, or if you've had the experience of changing it over, or if there's anything that I can take from you. Leave it down in the comments and let me know. I'll see you in the next one.